Alright, me and Chong are over here by our favorite spot. And our favorite spot, here's the bench that we always sit at. There's his dog bowl and my dog walking bag. And here's Chong. But he always insists on coming to this corner of the world. And it's very peaceful and nice. And it does actually bring you closer to your inner self. I think so. Just the waters cascading and all the rush of water is very illuminating. And the way the trees line up. Then there's the bridge. It's out of a fairy tale. Alright, now we're at one of me and Chong's favorite spots. Here's the little, it's a, I forgot the name. I woke up and there we go. But here's a little waterfall. The ducks are kind of going over the waterfall. There's two over there. It's very nice and peaceful. You can't get more peaceful than this. This just kind of makes all the stuff that you have to deal with at work just a little bit better. Just seeing all this beauty. But I figured I'd share it with everybody because I thought it was very nice and pretty. Alright, we're passing by the bridge by our favorite spot, and there's a bird drinking the water because the water's going out. It's very cool. Somehow he got his grip really good. And then he's getting all kinds of fresh water. He's a happy bird today. Alright, me and Chong. Here's Chong. We're at our favorite place, visiting the falls. I got the 2 stories out, and I'm going to go home and I'm going to start putting them on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And this is going to be my good night post. I hope everybody has a good night. Chong wanted to come and see the falls. It is very pretty. The water's really rushing through today. It's very pretty how it cascades out. And then you got the little tiny falls up there. It's not Niagara Falls, but it's still nice. And me and Chong bid you a good night and a good day for tomorrow, but we'll probably have a morning post by then.